In this life, you're going to meet some people who move in very strange ways. You'll come to learn that there are people that simply don't have remorse. They have no self accountability. They have no ability to practice self reflection or introspection. Only their image exists. You'll meet people in this life. You'll kick it off with them. Maybe you even become friends with them. But eventually, when they grow tired of you, they'll just either invent some random bullshit or just cut you off in another passive way. Usually, they'll do it in a way that is anything but direct. You know, they're just trying to scrape you off like some annoying piece of dirt that they don't want to interact with, you know? I mean, they've used you, they've gotten all of the use out of you that they needed. But then a couple years down the line, and I think it's maybe even because they sense that you rise, a couple of years down the line, all of a sudden they'll like pop out randomly, you know, and all of a sudden they'll want to reconnect with you. And they'll act as though what they did to you, as though the wicked shit that they did to you and the wicked ways in which they treated you, as though that never happened. Right? Which is convenient, because if it never happened, then that means that I don't have to repent for it. I don't even have to say sorry, you know. I can just randomly pop back into your life and act as though we're still buddy, you know. Just drop some random stupid joke and act as though we're like still cool and everything, and as though that thing never happened, you know. People are just filled to the brim with iniquity. Absolute fucking selfishness. Wherever you go, they have no concern for their brother, because they put selfish gain and temporary nonsense over the life of their neighbor.